So with Liverpool fans still licking our wounds after suffering our first defeat of the season, inflicted by and large by the best player in English football, Eden Hazard, I personally feel bad and not too bad, because it's the Premier League title I want this year instead of these little football cup. But that aside, I want to use this Hazard winning goal to make a specific point about football generally. When certain quality goals beat you, you can't feel no way. It's not necessarily a defensive lapse or a mistake. There are some goals that are just basically unstoppable. This Hazard goal is one of them. Fouling him early was an option, but he was into the penalty box in a flash. And if you touch him a penalty, some coaches and pundits will say Naby Keita should have pushed a foot. Alberto Moreno's challenge was clumsy. Fabinho's challenge was lazy. And of course, how the hell can a top-class goalkeeper get beaten from that angle? All of this is like mopping up milk after it got spilled. Look again at the body swerve and the deception and the quickness of movement. And of course, that rocket of a shot. Pass Mignolet before him say, hey! Watch the power, pace and swerve on the ball. Almost bust the net. No excuses. Well done, Hazard. Well done, Chelsea. Yes. You will play a Saturday. And if a you name Hazard, find it again Saturday. Yes. If you think you're bad, do it again Saturday. Yes. When me at full strength. Yes. Who laugh last? Laugh best.